In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a registry on Amazon in just a few minutes. If you're looking to locate a specific registry, whether it's for a wedding, baby shower, or any other occasion, this guide will walk you through the steps to make the process simple and stress-free. Let's start by heading over to the Amazon website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar homepage of Amazon. From here, we need to make sure that you are signed into your account. Signing in is an essential step because it personalizes your experience and gives you access to a wealth of features, including list and registry functions. So, just find the sign in option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and log in using your account details. Once you're signed in, you should now see the homepage personalized with your name or your account's name. From this page, navigate towards the upper right hand side of the screen where you'll see a tab labeled Account and Lists. Hover your cursor over this tab. This drop down menu is a hub for everything related to your account management on Amazon. In this drop down list, you'll notice an option titled Find a List or Registry. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a dedicated page for searching lists and registries. Here you can type the name of the person or registry you're searching for. This tool is incredibly useful, especially during holiday seasons, or when you're trying to locate a registry for a friend or family member's special occasion. Make sure to double check spellings and details as you enter them. Precision can help narrow down your search and yield better results. Using these features not only streamlines your searches, but also helps ensure that you find the exact registry you're looking for efficiently. Thanks for watching this short guide on how to find registries on Amazon. Remember, having an up-to-date Amazon account will make things easier and more convenient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it saves you time on your next gift-giving occasion. Don't forget to keep exploring and familiarizing yourself with Amazon's features, making all your online shopping experiences smooth and enjoyable. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.